Just giving them a scrub where it stains are, look. Get all these off. They come off with a good scrub. And then we're going to start pointing. Woohoo! Well, I say pointing, it's more grouting in it. Start grouting because we've got round here. Started cleaning all this off yesterday, so it's all ready to go with this stuff that I'll show you in a minute. Wet look. Pops them all out and then they change the same colour as them then. Does look nice like. This is a joint. 80 quid a tub that. Pro one. Hopefully it'll do the job. You get resin, that, so you put resin in, you fill that back up with water, chuck that water in, and then voila, mix it. That's it. Right, let's have a go then. Do you want to fill that up, Lucian, to, what do we want, a litre?
No, 250ml in it.
Is it? Is that what it said?
Oh, a litre to a tub?
We've just watched a video on this and now we don't know what we're doing.
Litres of water.
250ml. 250ml, that's not a lot.
Not in.
What, to mix all that?
Yeah.
You're there, Lucian. Fill it up there, fill it up to there, yeah? Yeah, looks good to me. This is that grout. I forgot to film. We got carried away down there and I just forgot to film. We're gonna have to. I'm doing some paving around there, so what I'll do is I'll make a video on this stuff, putting it in because it goes in pretty easy. It's not bad. Right. Right then. So I just picked these up. Got this in, looking great. Goes all the way around there. Some of the resin went on here. You can't really see it, but I can. There's like little footmarks in it where it's stained, and on the corners. I would open it won't because it's polished, but it has. We haven't pointed these bottom ones up. I've ordered some stuff for this. I don't know whether you can see it. See these little like dark patches? See them? They need sorting out. I've ordered some cleaner. Hopefully that'll do the job. And then we can do these, like if you look from this end, can you see dark patches? So I think I've made some kind of cock up there, but we'll sort it out. Right. Oh yeah, we've also done this. Just got a grate to do with that. Josh is just putting in some bricks down this edge. Got these lot. So this one here is full of 40ml for the steps. And this one I've got a little grinder, that's 20ml for the porcelain for round the edge. I've also picked up 2 sanding pads. I've already had a little go up. See it? This is my practice. Just went right corner there a bit. I haven't fully grinded that one, so I'm going to have to really watch that. This is porcelain, that chip were already there. I've just done that. Started on that, that seems to be alright. So we're going to have a go. Hopefully it all goes well. Take my time and get it right. Right, it's a bit dusty, but that's it, look. Goes round there, look. Looking good, isn't it? And I have to put a little bevel on this side as well, look, see it, so that'll be alright when it's pointed in. Try and gear her closer. So when that's that'll be pointed flush like that, look. And it's got that curve on it. And then it goes round. Just got a few more to do, but then I'll see you on that side in a bit, another hour. Right, let's get this rounded off. So I'm just going over it with that 60 grit, then 200, and then these little black marks that grinder are leaving, look. Oh, there, look. You just, all you do is just go over it nice and slowly with 200 grit. Makes a lovely job. I'll just give it a quick polish with this one as well, and just get these off. So big ones get out with this, these black marks here, because it leaves a, it's where that thing's jointed together, the bull nose bit. So just take them out with that, and then get your little 200. And that finishes it off. Then this one here stopped, and that'll go around there, look like that. And I've cleaned it up and we've bed that back on, because I took that off so I could stop it there. And we need to bed that on. They're just finishing round the grate at the other side. Shattered. Giving it a quick swirl, get dust off. We'll have a quick look. What do you think of that? It's quite well, isn't it? First time I've ever used them grinding wheels, and lovely jubbly. It's quite well. So this'll be a white colour, this, compared to tiles, but that's how it is. It looks same as steps, because that's how the steps are. All we're doing now is we're going to put some edgings in, so when grass is mowed, it can be mowed straight up. This is customer's idea. I think it's a pretty good idea, to be fair. So when you're mowing, you're not catching this, you're just mowing straight up. So we're just putting these on, just trying to get it. Grass is all over, so we might have to level grass out a little bit, because I don't want me things going like that. Blocks, and then I'm just painting them up with some slurry, just to give them a bit of extra grip. Might be a bit too thick of that. just a little bit high, but up there it goes back up, so it should match in, and that'll have to be filled up. Can't follow it all otherwise. It'll be way out. We're just doing it with sharp sand, so and then we'll just fill it in with sharp sand as well and give it more going. Because down here it's going to be damp all the time, so you want sharp sand really, or cement will just wash out. We've got them in, look. Got them in. Started raining, so I'm just cleaning them up a bit, just to get some stains off, and I'll give them a rub down tomorrow again. Look nice, I'll put grass up against that. Right, this is it for this video on here. We need to find out what we're doing with this bit here, whether we're going to come down a bit, but there's a lot of height difference from there, so it can't go straight because it cut into this step, so I don't know what we're going to do with that yet. That's on another video. Got these in steps, still need finishing off. I'm missing some resin and that in there, but I'm going to get that cleaner. I'm going to see how that goes on these. You can see it stains on them, see them, so I don't do these yet till I get that cleaner. That's that. Few bits I'm pointing under there, but it's looking good. And then round here we've got just put a couple of flower beds in. Don't know whether they need another course or not, but we'll see about that. And then we've got down here, it's looking pretty good though. And then this is another flower bed going in here, and then these are all cables for all lights and stuff like that. So that is it for this one. I think we're going to build that wall right up front next one, so you'll see that one on the next video, or maybe we come back round here and do some other bits. Who knows, but there's plenty to do yet on this job, like plenty left. So I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, give us a subscribe and like, comment if you want, and I'll see you in the next one, because we've got plenty more on here yet. And then we're going to be moving on to a big job which I'm pretty late for already. Pretty sure I've got it. I need to sort out money really, and we're ready to roll on that one. See you later.